बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Saida Raza. I am student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we will learn maths basics. In maths basics, we will see multiplication of variable part 1, and you will need to follow the steps. First, multiply sign with sign. Second, multiply coefficients. Third, addition, add power of same variable. And we will follow the rule of multiplication sign. First, plus multiplied by plus is equal to plus. Minus multiplied by plus is equal to minus. Plus multiplied by minus is equal to minus. And minus multiplied by minus is equal to plus. Now we will take 4 examples. Now, it is my question, and we will now plus is hidden, and I am showing it. Plus and plus. Now, see, plus plus a plus. Now, plus will be come here. Now, what second rule? Multiply coefficients. Now, 3 2s are 6. Term will be here. And see now. Add power of same variable. Look. Y multiplied by y is equal to y. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now, it is our answer. But we will not show the plus sign. You know. Now, we will do, let's take another example. Now, see, this is my question. Now, plus is hidden. See, minus multiplied by plus is equal to minus. Now, minus multiplied by plus is equal to minus. And now, multiply coefficients. Now, 3 2s are, here 2 3s are normally 6. Now, see, add power of same variable. Y multiplied by y is equal to y, and 2 plus 2 is equal to simply 4. Now, it is our answer. Now, see the difference. It has 6y4. And this has minus 6y4. Now, let's take another example. Now, we will take a plus. You know, na, plus is hidden here. Now, see, plus multiplied by minus is equal to minus, and minus will become here. And now, multiply coefficient. 2 3s are 6. Y multiplied by y is equal to y, and 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Means it is our answer. Now let's take Another example. Now see. Look, first of all, multiply sign with sign. Minus multiply by minus is equal to plus. Minus multiply by minus is equal to plus. Now, 2 3 are 3 2 are 1 thing is it 6. And I will not show the plus. And y multiply y is equal to y. And 2 plus 2 is equal to simply 4. Now, it is our answer. Now, no subscribe, no like, only share.